Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Jaguar F-Pace hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the primary latch disengages. This action prepares the hood for its final opening. Now, proceed to the front of your vehicle, ready for the next step in accessing the engine bay. It's a straightforward process. Once at the front, gently lift the hood a few inches. Reach your hand underneath the center of the hood's leading edge. You will feel a small lever or catch. This is the secondary safety latch. Depending on your model, you might need to push it to one side or pull it upwards. This mechanism prevents accidental opening while driving, ensuring safety. It's a crucial step for full access. With the secondary latch released, lift the hood all the way up. Look for the hood's support rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Detach the rod from its clip. Then, firmly insert the end of the rod into the designated hole or slot on the underside of the hood or fender. This ensures the hood remains securely open, providing safe access for any maintenance or checks you need to perform. To close the hood, first remove the support rod from its slot and reclip it securely. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 1 foot or 30 centimeters above the closed position. Do not drop it from a great height. Finally, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood until you hear 2 distinct clicks, indicating both latches have engaged properly. Always double-check it is fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.